हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन जंक फूड। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। लाइफ टुडे हैज़ बिकम फास्ट एंड लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस have made people addicted to food and eatables that can be readily made. Junk food is the name coined for such food items which are either pre-cooked or can be cooked in lesser time than regular food. Most of junk foods contain high level of saturated fats, sugar, salt and bad cholesterol which are toxin to the health. Soft drinks, chips, wafers, noodles, pizzas, burgers, french fries, etc. are few examples from the vast variety of fast food available in the market. There are many ready-made junk foods available in the market packed in the polybags. Most of the people are depend on such ready-made foods because of their busy schedule or they do not know to cook food at home. The consumption of junk food all over the world is increasing day by day, which is not good for the future. Most of them are high in saturated fats and sugar components and also excess of salts and lack any fiber. The only reason of their gaining popularity and increased trend of consumption is that they are ready to eat or easy to cook foods. Junk foods have several side effects. The most immediate effect is on the energy levels that reach its peak on eating of junk food. Heart diseases, increased level of blood pressure and sugar are more likely to happen if the person is a regular consumer of oily junk foods. Since junk foods are not easy to digest and consume larger amounts of energy from the body in the process, people consuming them experience lack of oxygen levels which gradually causes the brain to function poorly. Not only heart but liver can be damaged due to excessive cholesterol formed in the body due to junk food habits. More people are diabetic early in life because they eat junk food more often. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन जंक फूड। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। थैंक यू।